On 30th January 2026, the US Department of Justice released 3 million pages, 1,000 images, more than 2,000 videos. Today we are producing more than 3 million pages. I was 14 years old. I was 16 years old, 17 years old. This is me. This was me when I met Jeffrey Epstein. From Jeffrey Epstein's files, the man who called himself a friend of the world's most powerful people and who was also one of the most dangerous criminals. Such names are appearing in his files, literally such names that if you hear them, you'll be shocked. People associated include Prince Andrew, former President Bill Clinton, and more names are expected. Since these files were released, many things are being discussed on social media. Not everything is verified, but even what is verified is shocking. Names being mentioned include Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Narendra Modi, references to satanic churches, mentions of Kaaba, mentions of Bitcoin's origin, and the stories connected to these will shock you. One thing I want to say quickly, I've been making videos for you for a long time. I exposed satanic rituals, told Brie Taylor's abuse story, spoke about how powerful elites use innocent people to hide crimes, talked about Dajjal fitna, Gaza, atrocities, Baal worship, vaccines. Whenever I spoke, I received backlash, but I didn't stop. I left my matter to Allah and continued my work. Now, one by one, these filths are coming out. Dr. Israr Ahmed exposed such things even before social media existed. Today, you need more awareness. So, what are the 10 important cases from Epstein files? Let's understand. Elon Musk. In 2019, Elon Musk told Vanity Fair, Epstein repeatedly tried to invite me to his island. I refused. I refused party invitations. But DOJ files suggest something else. Emails show, November 24, 2012, Epstein emailed Musk asking how many people would come by helicopter. Musk replied, probably me and Tallulah, his wife then. Musk also asked, when is the wildest party on your island? December 25, 2012, Musk emailed saying, I'm working like crazy. Kids are here. Once they leave, I want to let loose. I want to hit the party scene. December 2013, Musk asked if holidays were a good time for parties. Plans were discussed, but Epstein later said his schedule kept him in New York. The speaker claims Musk's refusal narrative looks questionable. Bill Gates. Now comes Bill Gates' case, called disturbing. Epstein draft emails, not verified, not sent, allegedly claimed Gates had an extramarital affair with Russian girls, contracted an STD, wanted antibiotics secretly given to Melinda. Bill Gates' spokesperson called these claims absurd and false, but Melinda French Gates said in a Feb 3, 2026 NPR podcast, it's personally hard when these details come up, it brings painful memories. She also said unanswered questions should be answered by Bill Gates, not her. She earlier called Epstein evil personified and had warned Gates to cut ties. Documented meetings between Gates and Epstein 2012 to 2014, even after Epstein's 2008 conviction. NYT reported multiple dinners at Epstein's mansion. Pandemic planning claim. Files allegedly show emails or minutes 2011 to 2014 discussing global pandemic simulations involving Gates and Epstein years before COVID-19. Claims include turning global health into a business model, vaccine production and distribution control, links to Event 201 simulation, offshore financial planning. These are presented as claims in the speech, not verified facts. Prince Andrew. Major UK royal scandal. King Charles removed Andrew's royal titles October 2025. Files allegedly include photos of Andrew in compromising situations, emails inviting Epstein to Buckingham Palace, introductions to women. Virginia Giuffre, Epstein victim, accused Andrew of abusing her at 17. Andrew denied it but settled in 2022 for millions. Peter Mandelson, former UK business secretary and ambassador. Files claim shared government secrets with Epstein, discussed banker bonus tax, forwarded internal PM documents, shared bailout information before public release. Investigation started, he resigned positions. Bill Clinton. Name appears repeatedly. Claims include photos in hot tubs with Epstein, 16 trips on Epstein's jet, a CNN analysis suggests, invoked Fifth Amendment in deposition, Maxwell emails linked to Clinton staff, Congress subpoenas were issued, legal disputes followed. Narendra Modi. A 2017 email allegedly shows Epstein claiming he advised Modi to visit Israel and impress Trump. India's foreign ministry rejected this as trash claims. No proof of direct meetings found.